BOXMATE Gen 2 will allow you to set up a Seed Solution Gen 2 box in less than 2 minutes. Here's how you do it. First, make sure the bottom plunger is not engaged and that the yellow clamp housing box has the yellow on top and the gray on the bottom. Use the lift control to lower the clamp housing all the way to the floor. Push the box into the stops and double check to make sure that the stops on the box top are lined up with the clamps. Flip the switch on the clamp housing to close the hooks in on the box top and shake the box a little to make sure it is secure. Use the lift control to lift the box top up. Flip the box over, make sure it is lined up with the bottom, then press in the top plunger to lower the box top onto the bottom. Flip the switch on the clamp housing and the hooks will loosen up, then you can pull the setup box away. If you have questions about or would like to order the BOXMATE Gen 2, please call us at 800-247-1854.